It can cost up to 5 times more to acquire a new customer than it does to retain an existing one. By enabling and encouraging your shoppers to create an account, you'll be able to collect their contact information and allow them to create wish lists. You can use this information to help you understand your customers and their relationship with your products and brand, allowing you to build a loyal customer base. You'll also gain the ability to organize your customers in targeted groups. This allows you to view customer order data, create tax-exempt groups, offer discounts on specific products or categories to a group based on their purchase history, create a wholesale group, and so on. The first thing to note is the difference between a customer and a guest. Typically, customers are shoppers who create an account and plan on purchasing from you again in the future, while guests are one-time buyers. During the checkout process, you can offer your shoppers to check out as a guest or register an account. As much as you may want all your shoppers to create an account, we do recommend leaving the checkout as a guest option available. Statistics show that 14% or more shoppers abandon checkout if they are forced to go through the account creation process. This option can be found under Advanced Settings, Checkout. You're able to encourage your customers to create an account in many ways, including in the top navigation, in your marketing efforts, and after they check out as a guest. To customize the fields required for a customer to create an account, go to Advanced Settings, Account Sign-up Form. The fields provided by default cannot be deleted since they're necessary for the customer account functionality to work. You can make adjustments to them or add new fields. Note the 2 tabs at the top, Account Sign-up Fields and Address Fields. The built-in account sign-up fields are mandatory and can't be deleted. If you want to add fields, click Create a new field and select your field type from the drop-down menu to suit your business needs. Once you're finished configuring the fields, click Save. Another way to customize your account sign-up form is within the Address Fields section. You can create a new field here and edit, copy, or delete any field by clicking the action icon. Adding text to the default value field will display a gray suggestive text that appears in the background of a form field. For more advanced edits, you can customize these fields. By creating an account, your customers can check out more quickly in the future and gain access to additional storefront features like sending order messages, gaining store credit, and creating wish lists. Once your customer creates an account, they will receive a confirmation email. New customer records can also be created manually through the control panel by going to Customers, then Add. Begin by entering their name and email address. Here you can assign a customer to a specific customer group if your store plan offers it. You can also set whether or not this customer will receive marketing emails such as product reviews upon account creation. You can also force a password reset on the next login. We highly recommend enabling this option if you are creating the account manually, as you will need to enter a temporary password to save the account. The password must be alphanumeric with at least 7 characters. Please note that saving a new customer account does not automatically send an email to the customer, so don't forget to inform them of their new account and that they will be prompted to enter and confirm a new password. To reassure your customers that their information is secure, it's recommended that you create a privacy policy for your online store. Privacy policy generators are readily available online. You can export your customers by going to Customers, then Export. Select the bulk edit template type, then export the CSV file for whatever use case you have. The Customer Export tool is useful if you want to make bulk edits or updates, backup data, or export customers to third-party marketing platforms. For more information about managing customer accounts, see our Help Center.